Hey everybody, it's Christine, and today I'm back with another unboxing video with some more new products from Paper House. I am going to start things off with the new enamel stickers. These are great for your planners, cards, scrapbook layouts, and you'll see there's lots of very on-trend ones. These are meant to have a feel that is like an enamel pin. They all have that really pretty gold foiling on them. So let's take a look at the different ones. There's this one that's got that really whimsical, magical feel to it with the unicorns, narwhals, rainbows. Then we've got some kawaii fun ones. Glamping. And then succulents, of course. New York City. So you can see just a huge variety here. Happy birthday ones. Baseball. Butterfly. You've seen me actually use these ones already. Paris, France themed ones. These ones have an astrological feel to them with the different constellations and such. Goes nicely with the Stargazer planner that I showed you the other day. Fashion themed one. Pandas. Wine, champagne, beer, martinis, all the fun Friday night things. And then a Girl Boss planner themed one. This one I know is a favorite of a lot of people already. Llamas. And then some kawaii themed hearts. This will look nice in the kawaii planner. A brunch one. TV, typewriter, kind of a vintage retro one. And of course the beach. Tropical. So those are all the new enamel stickers, and you can see how they're packaged real nicely. Lots of fun to be had there. Now the next type of stickers I'm going to show you are ones that Paper House are known for. They're 3D stickers. They have several new ones this release. This one is a daughter one. And you can see tons of dimension. They also have foil. Some of them have glitter. Some of them have little rhinestones. It just depends on the style of sticker, but this is a really pretty daughter set. Then there is, of course, I love this one, a boy mom one. Again, it's got the fun foiling, but look at all those fun different boy themed stickers. And we have a cruise one. And a happy birthday emoji themed one. My daughter's gonna love this. I like this one. It looks like Mylar balloon. I think that's what it's called. Very fun. Photo booth themed one for a wedding. And then always popular, a marriage wedding day one. You can see lots of glitter on that one. And then this one, a prom one. So for all you moms getting ready for your kiddos to go off to prom, this one, look at this dress. It's like actual tulle on it. Isn't that pretty? Very cool. And then a boardwalk themed one. And finally, a yoga themed one. So a huge variety again of different themes that you can use. Now, they also released some individual papers from paper pads. I actually have the pads, but you can get these individually if you see a paper that you really like. And they released coordinating sticker pads to go with them. So this is sun-drenched. Obviously, it's got a beach theme to it. I'm going to just flip through and show you some of the papers from it. So the paper pad itself comes with a 12 by 12 cardstock sticker set. Okay. But then you can see we've got a pretty beach page. We've got cut apart pieces. We've got this pretty, and you can see there's gold foiling in there. Waves. Another set of cut apart pieces. water. This pretty one with the beach chairs. Some plants. Sunset. Sunset up against the lifeguard beach house. And that is it. And then in the paper pads, you have 3 of each sheet. Oh, actually, there's a couple more because I used some of these. Let me flip ahead and make sure I show you the ones that I used already. There's a sand and water one. And then this one, look, isn't that fun? So pretty. And I used this orange one as well. And keep going. I forgot that I used some of these. This one is gold foil. You're going to see me with a layout with this in a few days. And let me see if I can find the last sheet in here that I used. So there's, oh, yep, actually there's 2 more. This water one and there we go. This one that kind of looks like mermaid scales almost. So the paper pad has 48 sheets of these, okay? And then the individual, and they come with a white background. The individual papers actually have 2 sides. So you get, you know, the double-sided sheet that you kind of expect to get when you get patterned paper individually. Now, the stickers that go with this, let me find those. This is just cardstock stickers, and some of them match what's already in here, but they're smaller, a smaller scale. But there are some extra ones in here as well. So if you like this collection, you're going to want to get both probably. And you can see just various beach icons with the pretty foiling on them. And little letter stickers, which is always a good thing. And a border page. So that is Sun Drenched. Now the next one is Color Washed. You've seen me using this one quite a bit already. This one is, I'm so glad they're releasing it on individual papers because it is definitely one of my favorites that they've ever released. This one comes also with the 12 by 12 paper pad, and then the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet comes on the front of that. And then you've got all these different pretty pages with cut apart pages, gold foiling, lots of beautiful jewel tones. These are kind of almost mixed media papers that are ready to roll for you. And a lot of them have gold foil on them, but not all of them. There are plenty of cut apart options as well. You can see just a springy, celebratory feel to all of them. Lots of beautiful color. And that is it. So that's all of those. Again, there's 48 in the pad, or you can buy the individual sheets where it has front and back. And then here's the cardstock sticker pad that you can purchase separately. So very pretty, very versatile collection. The final new paper collection they have released is Marvelous. And this one has a similar feel, but a different color palette to Color Washed. And it also has the marble look versus like Color Washed watercolor look. Okay, so again, you've got the stickers in the front. And then you've got all these different pretty patterns with some with gold foiling, some don't. Okay, and you can see just a very different feel in the coloring on this one. A little bit softer. And this is another one that you've seen me using already, actually. I love this page. See, plenty of cut apart pages. And a border page. A lot of patterns in this one. Okay, and again, available in the paper pad as well as in individual sheets. And then you've got the sticker pad. So there you have it, the newest paper collections from Paper House. Now let's dive back into stickers. So this one is a clear cut sticker set. So you can see it's totally see-through. Okay, this one is a Washington, D.C. United States themed one. It could work. It certainly does not have to be just Washington, D.C. As you can see, there's a lot of general United States ones, but also, I mean, it's going to be great for capturing those memories from a trip to Washington, D.C., especially if you got a kiddo coming up on one of those trips here at the end of the year. And then the other clear-cut one that I got is a traveling one. Matches nicely with their Discover collection that they released a couple years ago. Oh, hold on. There we go. And then we have 2-inch stickers, which Paper House has been making for a while. So we've got Farm Animals, we've got DC, Justice League, Looney Tunes. Look at those fun. And then coffee mugs. And zoo animals. Pretty flowers. Cute cats. More cats, but more just their heads, obviously. A little more, I don't know if I'd say more playful, because these are pretty playful too, just different style. And then Wizard of Oz ruby slippers. Chickens and roosters. And I have 2 of those. And then some party stickers. Then we go into the 3D puffy stickers. So these have a different feel from the other 3D stickers. These are actually puffy. And these are another one that Paper House has been making for a while. They just keep adding to their collection. So here you've got the Justice League, the little kid version of them. And then Looney Tunes. And the bad guys from Justice League, as my kids would say. And then some music notes. Birthday candles, which you can see I already made a birthday card with those. Graduation. Party. And parrots and tropical flowers. Finally, the last thing I'm going to show you is the micro stickers. These are little teeny tiny, let me see if I can get one with less foiling. There we go. Little teeny tiny stickers, great for your organizing in your planner. Also fun for embellishing. So we've got dogs and we've got cats. And we've got seashells, if you can see. These are going to be really fun on a beach page. And then graduation, which has a lot of foil, so it's a little hard to see. Unicorns, which has even more foil. A wedding themed. And then this one is a sports themed. Let's see if I can get up close enough so you can see some of those. And narwhals. And that is it. Those are the new releases from Paper House this spring. Be sure to check out the links down below. They're available at scrapbook.com as well as Paper House now. And I will be back a lot in the next week with various videos, including some Paper House ones. We'll see you soon.